In another video, I talk about this section right here. And there's one section that I didn't really talk about, which is contacting me via the discussion forum for questions. In addition to scheduling a Zoom meeting or emailing me to schedule an appointment or just emailing me in general to ask a question or calling me, you also have this other platform, this discussion forum, which you can find under discussions. Let me open that in a new tab. And within the discussions section, there's a course Q&A discussion forum, which is what you can use as a space for questions or to talk about interesting articles related to marketing that you might run into as you're working through this class, or life experience discussions talking about those aha moments in marketing, because marketing is everywhere, as you'll soon learn enough in this class. And this can be where you talk about class work. For example, you might say, hey, what does this part mean? Or did you all see this? Or what are you doing with this? So course Q&A, all that kind of stuff. Use the space for you to connect and communicate with other students in this class. Feel free to post your questions and or answer each other's questions. If you're wondering about something, more than likely somebody else in the class is wondering the same thing. When you email me questions that are not specific to you, I may ask you to post your question here also so that others might see that. What this means for you is that this is another platform. That's number one, for you to get your questions answered. Number two, this would be a good place for you to also help each other out by answering questions. Now, with that said, I will be monitoring this also. However, it'd be great if it wasn't just me answering questions. So please feel free to just jump in. Now, of course, as I started to say, I'm still going to monitor to ensure that you all are headed in the right direction, for example. So if somebody says something that's not quite accurate, of course, I'm going to say, like, hey, everybody, here's the scoop. So there's still that. Please use email for questions or concerns that would only pertain between you and me. So if it's going to be something personal, or again, like just something that should be between you and me, please don't use this forum. Use email for that purpose. And this is the course Q&A platform.